How does earning $48,000 a month sound? Just think about everything you could do if you had that money readily available in your account. But the thing is, you don't have to keep wondering. There's a proven way to make it with YouTube automation, and in today's video, I will take you through all the steps so that you can also profit from this business model. Make sure you watch until the end, as I will give you a crucial tip to get your first 1,000 subscribers. Now, I want to be extremely frank with you. This process is not easy, and it will take a while until you see results. The great thing about YouTube automation is that you don't have to invest in a camera, microphone, or the time to film yourself. There are a ton of faceless YouTube channels out there, making thousands every month. You can choose the niche of your preference. Before going ahead, I have a valuable gift for you. Imagine earning $10,000 a month, not just as a dream, but as your reality. In this channel, I offer various methods to make money online. But if you want my honest advice on how to reach $10,000 per month in the fastest, easiest, and free to least expensive way, then you need my 7 steps to 6-figure blueprint. I've condensed years of expertise into a straightforward step-by-step guide. And that's your key to hitting that $10,000 mark. Grab your free copy from the description below. Now, resuming where I left off. But in this video, I want to focus on these channels that are making movie recaps. Let's take a look at this channel. According to Social Blade, they're earning about $100,000 a month through ad revenue alone. Can you imagine yourself with that much money right now? What would you do with it? And that's just one channel. This other channel is making roughly $80K a month. As a beginner, that may sound a lot to you, but ad revenue is the starting point. What most beginners fail to notice is that there are 7 other ways to increase the profits from your channel. You could include affiliate links, digital products, brand deals and sponsorships, physical products, CPA marketing, and even print on demand in your strategy. Remember that to monetize your channel on YouTube, you'll need a minimum of 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours of watch time, as per their current guidelines. This can often require a year of dedicated effort for some individuals. However, I'm here to share a clever strategy with you today that can help accelerate this process. Now, I'll show you a website that these movie recap channels don't want you to know. Just go to this website called Collider. There, you will be able to see what movies have been released recently or are expected to be released within a couple of years. You may be wondering how this valuable information can be useful. Pay close attention because I'll demonstrate how this can be useful. If you take the title of this movie, for example, and then paste it to vidIQ, you can see if it could perform well based on how many searches those keywords are getting. As a rule of thumb, if the search volume turns out to be very high, but the competition is also high, it's probably best to avoid it. You want to find that special gem with high volume searches and low or medium competition to increase your chances of standing out. Once you have the idea for the video, it's time to make it a reality. For that, you'll want to head to this website called Hyperey, which allows you to create impressive videos from the text input you provide. Then, you can go to iCandy.com to grab some movie scenes that you're actually allowed to use. The best part is that it's completely free. While you have all the videos downloaded, you can go to a website that allows you to get an AI voiceover for your video. Some creators choose 11 Labs for this part as it has very good quality. But if you don't want to spend on that, another great option is PlayHT. After you sign up there, choose Create Audio and select Ultra Realistic Voices. It will take a bit longer to generate, but the quality will be worth it. Once you have the audio and the visuals, it's time to put everything together. But don't run just yet, because you won't want to make the mistake that all inexperienced beginners make when they start their channels. When you start in this type of entertainment niche, it's very easy to get copyright strikes if you only use movie clips and do not add any extra value. But even if you make it out there, your channel's CPM is likely to be very low because you can't attract a high-quality audience. So, how can you fix this? The best way is to provide some type of educational value within the entertainment niche. If you don't know yet how to incorporate that part, use AI to your advantage and ask ChatGPT for ideas on making your movie recap channel have educational value. A great tip is to define your target audience. Think of someone in high school who aspires to become a movie director. You can break down the movie and explain what decisions the director made to portray a certain message. I want you to think big. Imagine you manage to attract 1,000 people and sell them a $10 a month community. You'll have $10,000 coming your way every month. Now that you have a better understanding of how you should create your channel, it's time to put everything together. And don't worry, I won't tell you to use some overly complicated editing software. CapCut is a beginner-friendly and free option you can use. There are also many tutorials out there, but what you need to know is that you can upload your files here. The next part is all about creativity and personal style. You can add some effects or include transitions to make it look better. The coolest thing is that CapCut allows you to generate instant captions from the voiceover. Click on the audio and choose the Generate Captions option. This is something that can make your video look more engaging. And you can even customize the way it shows on screen by selecting the type of animation. For example, Bounce will show the sentences word by word. And don't be afraid to play with the fonts and colors that best suit the style of your channel. Once you're satisfied with how the video turned out, you can click on Export directly to your channel. At this point, you have successfully finished the most time-consuming part of this project. Here is where patience comes into play, because getting a substantial number of views takes time. However, there is a way to promote your channel completely for free. For this step, you need to head to a website called Medium. This platform allows you to upload your writings and become part of a community based on your interests. Don't worry, you don't have to write anything yourself. You can use SEO writing to generate your blog post. To do this, head to your video, copy the title, and paste it on the website. The other cool thing is that if you scroll down to NLP keywords, it will show you all the keywords that will help you rank higher. And just like that, your blog post is done for you. So now you need to head to Medium and paste it there. Try to find the best place between the lines where you can add a link to your video on the same topic. People who get curious about it are definitely going to click. And that's how you'll redirect them to your channel. This is an effective way to get those first 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours of watch time to get monetized. Once your channel grows, you can expect that most of the traffic will come directly from YouTube, thanks to the algorithm noticing the interest from people in your channel. Remember, this is a business of dedication and effort, but with the tools I gave you, you're on the right track to have a successful YouTube channel. Hey, before you go, check this out. I've got another video on your screen right now that's perfect for you. It's all about multiplying your income in ways you might not have considered. If you found today's tips helpful, I'm sure you'll find the next one even more exciting. Give it a click. I promise it's worth your time.